All right, welcome to my channel. And to this video today, we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter in this Subaru. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Do lots of DIY projects around the house. Cars not excluded from that list. So here's first things first. We're going to pop out the glove box. Behind the glove box, after you kind of open up the compartment as you normally would, at least in this particular model, there'll be a couple of little plastic stops on there, and you basically, using two hands, not one like me, kind of pop it out like that. You just have to push those stoppers, those plastic stoppers in, and then your glove box should literally fall down. So maybe take out all the contents first. We need to get access behind there. You can see the pins. There's actually 4 of them. The idea is with 2 hands you squeeze the 4 pins, right? One on the top and one on the bottom on the left, and the same on the right, and you pinch it and it slides out. But of course, this is kind of an older vehicle, and I just broke off the 4th pin and the last one. They're kind of brittle plastic, but nonetheless we can squeeze it here, and then you can see all that yucky stuff over many months. This is what happens. So you will need to clean that out. That will help keep your AC and heating running efficiently, and also keep debris out of your car as you blow air in. All the air from the outside kind of comes through and passes through that filter, so it goes into the cabin. So you can certainly clean it off, but I recommend just replacing it. Of course, I'm no expert. And to put it back in, the new one or the clean one, you can kind of see here what we're dealing with, the fan, and which direction the air will blow. But definitely look at the arrow indicators on your new filter when you put that back in. We'll start the, we're not going to start it up, but just turn the power on here and turn the fan up. Just kind of get an idea. If you're curious what that looks like, you can see that power button on your AC. Increase or decrease the fan will actually activate and rotate that fan in there. Obviously, be really careful. You don't want to have your fingers down there while you do that. Ouch. And of course, you don't even need to do this. The easy way is to just replace the filter exactly the way that you took it out. And there should be arrows on your filter indicating the direction of the airflow. In this case, it goes just like that. And you kind of wrestle it in there a little bit, make sure it's oriented correctly. And then pop it in till it is tight. And to put the glove box back into place, there's a you're gonna pinch the plastic pieces just like that on the left and the right. That's kind of the pivot point. You want to get that on there. And then those stops should just go straight back. You don't have to do anything. Just push the glove box all the way back in, close it up, and that is it. Hopefully this has helped you. Thanks.